This is it. 36 airplanes. Military, civilian, cargo, business, racing, World War II, airliners, seaplanes, propellers, executives, space shuttle transport, swept wing, World War II, the flying boat. This is it. The entire plane collection. All 36 of these. They're from the World War I, World War II, and the jet age. Oh yes. Supersonic. Oh, this is it. Here we are. I built these planes when I was in middle school in the 7th grade. That's where I started making these planes. These planes carry a lot of people. Go to every single airport. Transport cargo. Carry lots of items. Military service. Racing. Supersonic. Airlift. Space shuttle carrier. And more. See you next time. Have a good night. Today is fall season. Bye-bye.